So you guys are here because your your tiger's sick?
No, we're here because we're looking for one.
No, your tiger's sick.
My tiger's sick. My tiger's sick. My tiger's sick.
Okay, your tiger's sick. And is that your daughter?
Yeah. She's in a hurry.
She's in a hurry, right? She's a little girl. Okay, let's take this out. So guys, the first thing I'm gonna do is give it a checkup. I'm gonna check everywhere I can do. Sorry. Sorry. Oh God. What's his name?
Spiky.
Spiky? That's a weird name for somebody that dresses like that. Go in your
Gregory.
Come on. So his name is Spiky. Got it. Got it. Doesn't come this way, little girl. Come this way. There we go. She has to know about it too, sir. So his name is Spiky. His papers?
Huh?
Does he have papers?
No. We forgot it.
Shots?
Shots?
Does he have shots?
No.
Is he sick?
Yes.
My God. Okay. Has he ever gotten checkups?
No. None of anything.
Oh, okay.
Here.
Okay, and I would like your signature. Wait, okay. Your signature here, please, sir. In cursive. Hurry up. Doesn't take all day. Okay. Okay. And yeah. You're the owner, right, of this dog? I mean,
Tiger.
Tiger. Got it. And he's been doing this for how long?
Over a month.
Over a month?
Actually, over a year.
A year? Okay. Well, we're ready to check up Spiky there. So, do you mind shutting the clinic door for me? Would you mind backing off a little bit? I'm gonna have to clean my hands in the sink, okay?
Okay.
So, here I do, clean the sink in my hands. Whew. Okay, let's touch the animal now. Yeah, so, do you mind answering the door?
That was easy.
So nobody was at the door? Okay. So let's check the animal. Do you mind guys backing up a little bit? We have to put this lower. There we go. Let's see the animal. Whoop! Okay, let's see what's under there. We got a spider. It's been pooping spiders lately.
Why would you show them?
Well, if he's pooping spiders, it's not healthy, which is really bad. He's been pooping carrots, which is terrible. And let's check his ears. Nothing. His paws. Nothing. Insides. Well, we have to cut him open just to check, guys. Well, no, let's not check him yet. Let's check his mouth. Whoa, we found some paper. Looks like he's been eating some stuff. Let's see what's in his stomach.
Oh, man.
So,
I'm not ready for this.
Oh, blood. So according to my text, can I have you guys back up the table a little bit for me, please? Because I'm going to be cutting him open. Okay, so as you can see here, we're going to let the animal pass out. Luis, do you mind holding down your animal? By the neck and by the arms. Jocelyn, do you mind holding the legs down? Okay, guys, let's do this. With the pen? Sorry. Oh, there's blood everywhere. There's blood everywhere. Blood. Ooh, blood. Ooh, a rat. Must be eating healthy a tiny bit. More paper. And that's about it.
Another spider.
Another spider. Ew. This dude has some bad appetite.
Well,
Okay,
that's pretty
so
good.
he's getting conjunction of pooping these things out, which is bad. Okay, so we're gonna have to be checking his throat more often, and his eyes seem clear as clean, which is good. And yeah, so the next thing we're gonna be doing, we are going to be. How about the little girl goes and checks this Paw Patrol thing out
And
because she's little, you know, and she can draw and color. If it doesn't work, I don't care. Just go over there, find a spot. We don't want you watching this.
Always the parents have to.
I know the parents have to.
Honey,
Great.
here.
Your wife is here.
Hey.
Oh no, your daughter. Sorry.
Happy. Oh, there's a toy in it for you. Why you can look at it? There's a little turtle on it if you want.
Well, let's just say the clock is moving fast.
Here, honey. Here, your food. Oh, you.
The clock is really moving fast. It's 11:15. I mean, it's 3:55.
I have my eyes on you, okay, honey?
Yeah, it's 11:15, sir. So it's been 15 minutes.
Really?
Yeah, this ends at 12 o'clock. So,
You have to give him some
Yeah.
some dog food.
Yeah.
Some rats.
Yeah.
Is
good.
this alive?
I don't know, sir.
I don't think so. You want to eat your rat back up?
No. How could you? You're gonna kill your animal.
Why?
So I
It's
need to
different.
do something with the animal and scan him.
Okay.
Zzz. Okay, he seems clear.
I got my eye.
Okay, so we are going to be giving him some medicine. Okay, let's put the cup down. Okay, so we have to be very careful when we're holding shots. Okay, back up, sir. I don't want to hurt you. I don't want this to get messy. Hold your animal down, sir. Because this is going in the butt. Okay. Oh, that should be good. And we got more medicine for him.
He's alive.
Okay, so we're going to give him a shot in the mouth. And if he attacks me, that would be terrible.
I think he doesn't like the shotty.
That's a crazy animal. I tell you.
We need him to shot. Huh?
Okay, you got it, sir? You ready? Let's give it a shot in the eye.
Okay.
Sir, your animal seems a little too dangerous.
I think we're gonna have to walk him up.
No. We need to continue this. Oh, I cannot see. Okay. Well, sir, we're gonna have to pass him out. That should be passed out good enough. And we forgot to do it in the back of his head. Oh, and this is gonna hurt real bad, even if he is unconscious. Because this is the biggest one. No!
I don't think that's pretty good. You're going to time out, mister.
Please, pause the video and press record and it's over.
Goodbye.